Krugner was moving up the line. I stepped forward, close to the synthetic to hide her from his view. She was momentarily surprised, and her eyes, wide and alert, searched my face, attempting to discover my intent. Then suddenly she turned and began to move away. I followed. We made our way through those last in line, and as soon as we were clear, we ran. There was a commotion by the shuttle, but neither of us looked back. We headed to a marketplace nearby, packed with people talking and jostling shoulder to shoulder, and melted into the crowd. Come with me. My car's not far.